Morning, Steve Fried with the results of the USDA report. Well, the USDA put the corn yield at 177, which is 4 bushels below their outlook at 181, but they left the 51.5 bean yield versus the outlook numbers. As far as the carryouts go, 21-22, they estimate corn carryout unchanged at 1440. The average guess was 1412. For the beans, they dropped it to 235 from 260. The average guess was 225. And wheat, they dropped to 655. The average guess was 686. For the 22-23 campaign, they've got the corn carryout down to 1360. The average guess was 1352. Beans, 310. The average guess was 317. And wheat, 619. The average guess was 659. Globally, they've got corn stocks for 22-23 at 305 million tons versus 309 this year. The 305 is almost 9 million tons above the average trade guess. Over in the beans, they've got 22-23 at 99 million tons. That was 2 million tons above the average guess. This year, they dropped to 85 million tons. And for the wheat, next year at 267, that's 5 million tons below the average guess. And this year, they've got it at 279, which is 1 million tons above last month. The all-wheat crop in U.S., 17.29 million bushels. The average guess was 1791. And as far as South American is concerned, they've estimated the Brazil corn crop at 116 million tons versus 116 last month. And the beans 125 versus 125. In Argentina, they've got the corn at 53 million tons. That's unchanged from last month. And beans 42 million tons, which is down 1.5 million tons from last month. We can see July beans now trading up 17 cents near the high of the day at 16.24. We've got corn in July at 7.95, up 6 cents, but December is up 15 cents at 7.51. We've got Chicago wheat up 30 cents at 11.41. KC up 32 cents at 12.32. And Minneapolis is up 30 cents at 12.86. In the outside markets, we've got the stock market lower, the dollar continuing to make new highs. Crude oil is about unchanged, while gold, silver, copper, coffee, cocoa are lower. In the meats, we've got cattle and hogs lower, and cotton is higher. So we'll just see how all this plays out. We have a base to start with the wheat market probably a little friendlier than what people had thought. And we'll see just how bean and corn demand shows up. We did see a new sale of U.S. corn to China this morning, so we'll see if there's any follow-up buying. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.